Alright guys, so this video is going to be a haul. I'm sorry I'm playing with my hair. Like it's at the side. I don't know why I keep moving it. So this video is going to be a haul video, and it's going to be mostly, this is going to be things that I am buying for my kit, yeah? So I will tell you guys where I purchased stuff from and stuff like that. So I haven't done a haul in a hot minute, so let's just go. This hair is by Longqi hair. I'll have the initial video added in the description bar below, as well as the updated video in the description bar. So let's start with the things that I got for myself. The first thing I bought was for myself is the primer water. Now you have the bigger one, I think for $30 something, then you have the smaller one for $16 something, and the small one looks like this. It's a decent, it's like a travel size for a small primer water. So I got this one, and it's the tip inside the box. I'm just seeing it says keep cool for an extra refreshing ultra cooling mist, store in the fridge. Oh, okay, that's smart. So I actually misted it on today. I mean, it's alright, you know. I mean, like, my glow is heavenly, but it's okay. So it's a primer water, so I can use it before you put your makeup on. It's good if you have dry skin. It's very good for bridal makeup as well. But I got this for myself. The next one I picked up was the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I got it in the travel size. And these two I got from Smashbox Cosmetics, the original website, no other third-party website, but from Smashbox themselves. So this one, I love this one. I swear by this one and the LyricRochester primer. I swear by those two primers. I absolutely love them. It covers your pores. It makes your skin look smooth. The application of your foundation, the finish of it just makes it look so pretty. So that, and I also got a duo lash glue, and I got this from CameraReadyCosmetics.com. I got this because I am out of lash glue, and I don't like using the dark lash glue, and that's what I've been using. And the last thing I picked up for myself was the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and it just looks like this. It is gorgeous, and this is what it looks like, the packaging of it. And I can truly say that Fumi made me do it. If y'all don't know Fumi Desolu Fold, like, what are you doing with your life? Fumi is absolutely amazing. She's an actress, a model, a makeup artist. She's queen. She is queen. So I use her discount code Fumi FUMI whenever I'm shopping on Juvia's Place. Whenever I'm shopping on Juvia's Place, I always use her code. Well, since I know she have a code, I use hers, and the back of the packaging is just like bare, and then they have this. So yeah, so these are for myself. So let's talk about the stuff that I got for my kit. So I got some stuff from Fontana Pharmacy, and I got rhinestones from MUA Essentials. Now I got one of each rhinestone. I got one of each rhinestone color. So we have green, then we have gold, pink, red, purple, black, another like champagne gold, a deeper purple, a more darker green, not more darker. So you get this, you get the point. So these are their glitters. I mean, not glitters, they're rhinestones. So I got these specifically for Carnival. So I picked those up, put them back in this because I don't want to lose them. And also from Fontana Pharmacy, I got the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I don't have one for my kit. My one almost finished, but I don't have one for my kit, so I picked up one for my kit, and as you can see, it's completely brand new. Nothing here I've pulled, everything is brand new. So that's for my kit. What is I picked for my kit from Fontana? This, I had initially got this for myself. This is the Pro Primer in Fawn. I got this for myself. I was like, oh no, but I have like 3 were almost finished, but not really. Then I have like half of one left. So I'm like, okay, I'm good. So I'm going to put this in my kit. You can never go wrong with an LA Pro concealer. I'm sorry, I don't care how much you charge for your makeup. For as a makeup artist, you can never ever go wrong with LA Pro concealer, ever. Alright, so next I'm going to be talking about the stuff that I got from MAC Cosmetics. Oh no, yeah, MAC Cosmetics. And I picked up their wipes. These are their huge big wipes. And instead of using like the baby wipes that I would normally use, I just got a makeup wipe. And can you imagine how cute this is going to look in my kit? That's it. Yes, Papa? Yes, I'm recording. You have daddy ring? There's daddy ring? Ring. We'll go for your ring. Where's your ring? Go for your ring. Remember, you had your ring this morning. You had your ring this morning. So this is their 100 sheet one. So this is the first thing I got from MAC Cosmetics. And then the I didn't get much. I got about 4 other stuff. I got this eyeshadow palette. So I got this one, and I got this mainly for my girls who like, you know, brighter colors. This would be really good as like a nice transitional color, brow bone, a nice taupey cool color for the lid right there. Yeah, so this would be nice, a nice night palette, or hell, I can even include some of these colors here for bridal. So it's a mixture of matte and frosty colors. So that's the second thing. So everything I'm showing you now is definitely for my kit. Then I got their what's it called, their Pro Longwear Concealer in NC50. So NC50 looks like this. Pro Longwear Concealer in NC50. And I also got their Pro Longwear Concealer in NW35. So NW35. So notice how the two colors vary. So I got these two, and notice how far apart they are. This is whenever I'm buying for my makeup artist kit, this is what I prefer to do. I prefer to buy colors wide apart, and then I can mix them if needs be. But these two are like pretty far apart. This can mix to become another color, add some more of this to this, make it darker, add some more of this to this to make it lighter, or use them on their own. And the last thing I got from MAC was their MAC Prep and Prime, and I got the travel size. I typically like buying travel size, especially for my kids, because one, I have to travel, and two, it just fits easier in my kit, and I'm not doing makeup every single day, so to buy the larger size for me is not very smart. So I rather get the travel size, and if I notice that I'm using a product more than often, then I would get the actual size. So moving on to Smashbox, and as I said, the stuff that I got from Smashbox are from Smashbox Cosmetics. So Smashbox.com, sorry. So it's their primer water again. I got it from my kit, got one for my kit, and it's a hard plastic bottle. So it's just a Smashbox primer water, and it says it is how much fluid ounce? 1 fluid ounce. You can probably Google it, but you can see the size right here beside me. It's, to me, it's a nice size, you know, it's a nice size. Then I also got their primer as well. I swear by this primer, this and the Lorac Pro primer. I swear by those two primers. And then there was some deal or something like so, like, you know, free samples or something like so. So I got those, got some free sample stuff. So these are just two lip glosses. These are cute. So just these two lip glosses here from Smashbox. And also from MAC I got a sample, a free sample Candy Yum Yum, and it is a scent of fragrance. So I got that with my MAC order. And from Smashbox again I got their Be Legendary lipstick, and it is just red from Smashbox. So just like a travel size. Alright, so these other stuff that I'm going to show you guys I got from Juvia's Place. And the first thing I got was the Nubian palette. It's the very first palette they have, and they're having deals now on the website for Juvia's Place, you guys. And if you use a discount code FUMI, you can get more off. Fumi is my girl. Fumi is my girl. So I will be supporting. So I urge you to do the same as well. You know, we got to unite. But yeah, so this is their very first palette that they came out with that everybody was raving about. Still raving about. And you can tell this is absolutely flawless for bridal. You're seeing this, right? That's why I had to get this, because whenever I'm doing bridal makeup on any of my friends, or if I'm filming something like a photo shoot or something and I'm going for more bridal feel, I always go for that palette. So the next palette I got from them is their Nubian 2 palette. This here. The colors are, the pans are bigger. I love, this is, gosh, Morocco. I knew it. I love Morocco. Morocco is my favorite for blending, favorite for blush. I love Morocco. So that's the Nubian 2 palette. Then last but definitely not least, their most recent palette, their Saharan palette. And you guys saw what this looked like already, because I got one for myself. So their Saharan palette. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so these this actually was from Sephora itself, as in the store. One of my friends was coming down and she got this for me, and this is a Laura Mercier translucent medium deep powder. You know, they have the other one that looks kind of like a what you call it now, like banana color, the one where everybody have. So this one is the newest one, and I asked her to get it for me. It's the translucent medium deep Mercier powder, and as I said, it's for my kit. So that's that. And that was directly from Sephora.com. So everything else that I'm, oh no, let me show you some other stuff. Papito? Daddy out there, son. Daddy out there, son. So this is Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and this is something that Jeffree Star made me do it. Amrezy made me do it. Like Jeffree Star and Amrezy. So Amrezy and Jeffree Star raves about this. I mean, they launched a new one that Amra had gotten, and she showed us on her Snapchat, and then she's like, but this one is still my favorite. I'm like, okay. So this one I got from TatchaCosmetics.com. I went on the website for this. Alright. And then oh, there's a little tape thingy over it. Alright, cool. So this is their Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I love how Amra makeup always looks. It just looks really nice and dewy and healthy, and I love it. So I picked this up because of her recommendation, and as I said, everything I'm showing guys is for my kit. I ain't getting nothing for myself. Everything is for my kit. So everything else I'm going to show you is from CameraReadyCosmetics.com. So for Carnival, I got the Ben Nye Final Seal. Remember when Ben Nye Final Seal used to run the whole of YouTube? Like everybody on YouTube had Ben Nye Final Seal because it mattified the makeup. It made the makeup stay long. And because I know that for Carnival, my customers, my clients would be dancing, they'll be in the sun. So I definitely had to get this, as well as what else I got for Carnival? Oh, nothing else for Carnival. Oh yes, another thing for Carnival, I got Ben Nye's Glitter Glue. Now I'm going to be honest, I've never used this, and I thought this is plastic. I thought this was a smaller bottle. This is a big bottle of just glue, and you guys know I use my lash glue to add here. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna look all professional, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get me some glitter glue. So I've got Ben Nye Glitter Glue. I just hope it does the job. I'll be testing this out on myself before it's on my clients, obviously. And now, as I say, everything I'm showing you from this point onward, including these two, are from CameraReadyCosmetics.com. So CameraReadyCosmetics.com they sell different brands: Becca, Beauty Blender, Ardell, Japanese. They have different companies on it that they're selling that's just like one little hub. So I got this beauty blender, the original beauty blender, and I got like the case of it, and 6 comes in this, as well as the beauty blender solid. So this again for my kit. Yes. Daddy, see daddy there? Daddy there. Daddy. And of course I got the oh my goodness, you guys cannot see this right now, but like I'm looking at the product and there's not a lot in here at all. It's like from here and then come down here, and then there's like a huge gap here and here. I thought it would have been filled up all the way, but what else? It says 1.35 fluid ounce, and this is the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. Now every time somebody said, Lyric, I have oily skin, what do I use? I always recommend this because I've seen it in action on YouTube, and I own the sample size one, and it is matte. This thing is mattifying, so use with caution. So oh yes, and I also got another lash glue for my kit again. And for my kit and everything, my kit, as continuing with my kit, I got the Ben Nye Neutral Set. It's a colorless powder. I got the white one, you know, Carnival, other makeup in between. And I got the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in what's this, banana. I got the banana, and these powders I swear by. These ones here, I swear by them. The skin looks absolutely flawless. It photographs beautifully. I love it. I swear by these Ben Nye powders. So So I got banana, I got camel, because I'm out of camel, and camel is a nice little yellowy one, really nice for highlighting. And I also got these ones that you're probably used to seeing. I got sienna, and I also got ebony. So these I use for baking and as well as setting, and yes, so baking and setting. So use it to bake and to set, and use it for all over powder as well. So that's it. That's everything that I picked up for myself and for my makeup artist kit. I hope you guys like these type of videos. I hope I gave you guys the tidbits as well, because I know a lot of professional makeup artists follow my YouTube channel. So because of that, I want to do more videos like these. If you want to see Jonathan, if you want to see what's in my makeup artist kit, oh, and I got this sample from Tatcha as well. It's a silken pore perfecting sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 35. So I got this from Tatcha. Anyway, yeah, so if you want to see like what's in my makeup artist kit, just let me know. Leave some comments saying that you want to see that, and shout out to my Snapchat fam, my Instagram fam, and most importantly, most obviously, my YouTube family. We're at 100, the last time I checked, 191,000. That means a lot to me. You guys have been rocking with me for years, and I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate you, and I thank you so much for your support. If you want to book me for any event or anything, you can email jamaicanmua@icloud.com. And I'm done. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye bye.